Kumusta mga kapatid? Kuya Den and Ate Nikki here.
Hi guys!
Hi! So it's now May 1. Oh grabe,
Happy Labor Day! Yes, of course.
So we're very excited kasi meron kaming bagong product na i-unbox ngayon. And it was released just yesterday sa Shopee.
April 30. So we're very excited to show you guys the Wow Fiesta HD Mini. So it was released yesterday on Shopee, April 30. The introductory price is actually 3,999. But for the release price...
No. The regular price is
the regular price.
3,999 pesos.
The release price that they're offering right now is
3,499.
Yeah, 3,499.
So
Big savings. Yeah.
very inexpensive. Okay, so without further ado, let's open this thing up.
Yeah, it's this.
So
So
I noticed that the box is very attractive. Color blue siya.
really great
Matingkad.
color blue. It
Mhm.
actually says a lot about the product already on the box itself. So it says here that there's only song expansion.
Limited song expansion. Wow.
Then thousands of built-in songs already. Full HD, I believe it's Full HD 1080p.
1080p.
Yeah. And it's also car friendly, so this one is actually really great for road trips.
Yeah. So
Summer ngayon.
yes, lalo na pagka yung mga mahilig kumanta on the way to wherever they're going, long trips.
Or sa beach, pwede nyo
Right.
i-set up to sa car nyo, tapos mag-karaoke kayo over there. It's great. So let's just open this up. So here it is.
Jaran!
So we have the remote over here, and this is the component itself. So let's take it out. You handle that. And then we have one wired mic.
Let's show it. One wired professional grade microphone.
We also have audio and video cable, then the quick guide, and of course the power brick. So all the wires, and there's the quick guide, and I guess this is also the songbook, I presume.
Looks like a songbook. So very thin, quick guide. Quick talaga siya.
So it's a very quick guide on just how to set it up, the different specifications.
Ito yung mga hindi natin binabasa eh. So does anyone really read this? I dare you to set it up without reading the quick guide.
Tama ka? This is a songbook. So was it on the site that they stated that there's around 2,000 plus songs already built in?
Yeah, I looked it up. It's 2,638. So
It's very specific.
yeah, so that's plenty of songs.
So actually, the entire set also includes a USB that has the song loader app.
Yeah, so one of the features of this Wow Fiesta HD Mini is that you can load songs using USB, and it comes with a free USB that has a song loader app that you can use to load songs using your computer. So if you have a Windows computer, you can load songs and connect it to your Videoke.
Apparently, there's also an app for it where you can put an OTG cable or like an OTG USB, and you can upload more songs that way if you don't have a laptop.
Yeah, so
there's also that option.
yeah, so that it's a mobile app, and if you have OTG, you can load songs from your mobile app onto the USB OTG and connect it, plug it here onto your Wow Fiesta Mini HD Videoke.
Oh, that's interesting. They actually show here kung paano nyo gagamitin yung Windows app nila
Windows app.
for the song loader. So anyone who's not really like tech inclined like Kuya Den over here, or like me pala, I'm the one who's not tech inclined. Si Kuya Den pala, he can understand a lot of things about tech. Pero someone who's like just a regular person, may instructions naman. Yeah.
So let's take a look at this device over here. It's so small. No?
It is.
Is this what you expected?
Not really. It looks like a Wi-Fi router. to be completely
that's a good observation.
Yeah.
You-
So it's very portable. It's tiny.
So it's perfect for ang na-imagine ko dito, 'di ba? If you've ever ridden one of those tricycles na merong boombox,
Oh,
tapos merong videoke.
yeah, yeah.
So malamang sa malamang ganito yung ginagamit nila or something like this because this is a new product. So
Yeah.
it's actually their cheapest, by the way. So I was browsing their website earlier and I haven't seen anything that matches the price of this this video kit. I think the next cheapest is around 6,000 or 7,000 pesos if I'm not
I believe
mistaken.
so. I was browsing their site earlier, and this was actually the cheapest on there.
Mm.
The other one was just a mic and receiver.
Right. So for only 3,500 may Videoke ka na. So let's take a look at this device. So you have two microphone input ports here. So this is where you connect your microphone.
Which is interesting because they only provide one mic. But I guess they offer another mic on their site as well. Yeah.
Mhm. So you can buy it as an accessory.
So pwede na kayo mag-duet.
Duet.
Pwede na kayo mag-duet ng kung sino man. Ate mo, kuya mo, crush mo.
Ex mo.
Oh my God. Kasama mo ex mo sa road trip?
Malay
Why?
mo. My X and Y. So, napanood niyo ba yun? So,
Pop culture references.
So ayun, andito rin sa harap yung USB port.
Mhm.
So dito mo ikakabit yung USB. Ayun, tapos it's ano naman, no?
Have you mentioned the USB pala? It also includes around 12,000
songs.
songs already when you buy the product. So you can expand it with however much songs that you'd like because it's actually on the upload.
Yes, so as long as you have access to your computer and you can use the app, you can load any, unlimited amount of songs. So you can always be updated. Pag may lumabas na bagong song dyan, load it dito sa Wow Fiesta.
And actually later to test out natin yan.
Yes.
Yes. of
So
course.
if you stick around, we'll try to do a more detailed review of this product.
Mhm.
So dito sa likod, for those of you who are gonna set this up yourself,
Do
Yo-
you guys remember this?
the RCA, I think that's what it's called,
I
right?
called it an audio video cable because that's what it
AV
does.
cable.
Yeah, it transmits audio and video onto your TV
Mhm.
from the device.
So red and white is for audio left and right. Yellow is for video. Okay, so it should be pretty straightforward for anyone who's ever connected like a cable box or a VHS player or a multimedia player.
VHS player, you're old.
Lumalabas yung
Yeah.
age. Tapos
CD player.
may HDMI siya. This is for your HD video. So this device is capable of outputting 1080p video display. So you're most likely gonna have to do that using the HDMI kasi as far as I know, yung regular na RCA cable kaya lang niya is HD 720p. So
It's not HD in
yeah,
today's day and age.
it's HD, but 720p is considered HD. HDMI is 1080p is full HD.
Mhm.
So here, this is interesting. If you look right here, this is an RF in port. It's the same size as a 3.5mm audio port, but this takes in an IR receiver. That's an infrared receiver.
But kuya din, I am a regular citizen. What does that mean?
Wala. Pag regular citizen ka, I don't think you're gonna bother with the IR port.
To be completely
But
honest.
if you're one of those guys who are gonna set this up in your Jeep or in your car or in your tricycle,
Mhm.
normally what they do, and I only learned about this like last week when I asked about this product.
Uh-huh.
What they do is they connect an IR receiver, and then that IR receiver is the one that's gonna be exposed, so that you can still use the remote control.
Mhm.
So you can hide this entire thing in your car or in your vehicle, and then you only have like the IR port, the IR extension exposed, and you can still use the remote control.
So basically, virtually, pwede mo na lang itong itago inside your
Yes.
console.
Yes.
And none would be the wiser. Sabihin nila, oh, ano ba yung sineset up mo? Paano ka kumakanta? Magic.
Magic. Oh.
IR magic.
So ayun. So just a little tidbit that I learned recently. So dito yung DC 12 volt
12 volts.
for the wall wart. Okay,
Yes,
so
it is auto volt, so 100 to 40 volts. So you can plug this anywhere.
110 or 220 AC,
Mhm.
2 or 240 input.
Yep.
So and finally you have the power button.
Power button.
Okay, so remote control, pretty standard.
Here's where you input your songs.
It's very small though.
I mean,
very light.
since it is a portable device, it makes sense na maliit din yung remote.
Mhm.
Diba? Kasi kung ang liit nga ng device mo and then your remote is like the size of, I don't know what big remote, how big remote.
I like it. It's very handy.
Yeah, I don't watch TV.
So let's look at the buttons. You have volume control. May missing ba dito? Volume control, key, tempo, USB mode, title search, artist search, number, what else?
I don't think there's anything.
Menus, yeah. Seems that you can pretty much control everything from the remote control.
I mean, there's nothing really on the device itself. Because usually some karaoke machines, they have the buttons.
Mhm.
That's why they're pretty bulky. So this one talagang
Very
pwede mo lang
compact,
siyang-
very
yeah,
simple.
compact. Itago mo na lang somewhere in your car or in your bag when you're doing it. And then, since siguro ka maiksi itong RCA cable, kasi you can already do everything with the remote. So
for the price, for 3-4, I think that it's, it's really inexpensive, but it doesn't have that cheap feel to it.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not like super premium looking or super premium yung materials na ginamit, but it's still quality product. And it comes with a 1-year warranty, which is serviceable all over the Philippines. You just have to bring your unit. There is a warranty card that they provide, and you can fill that out once you buy it. But in case you lose the warranty card or you lose the receipt, then you can just bring the unit to Wow Fiesta Service Center, and they'll service it for you.
yeah, sounds pretty good.
So that's it for the Wow Fiesta Mini HD Videoke. We're gonna try to do a more in-depth review of this Videoke product. So if you'd like, you can stick around. What do they need to do?
I'm excited. So what you need to do is you need to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.
And hit that bell button to get notified.
This has been Tech Kuya.
Bye!